My name is Yue Ying, and I'm 20 years old now, and I'm from Hong Kong. I came to Italy as a Chinese teacher assistant here in Turin for 3 months. Now I'm writing down the words and also the phrase on the blackboard. I ask every student to speak a sentence. So if it's something they don't understand, I write it down on the blackboard, and then I explain to them the meaning and also the pinyin, which is the way to pronounce the Chinese.
Allora, Taoyo è un vocabolo che mi avete chiesto in tanto.
My students, they are pretty good. I can feel that they have that energy to study the Chinese. They like to study Chinese. You need my help.
Con lei c'è una possibilità in più di sviluppare e approfondire comunque tutta la parte sulla lingua parlata, che è poi la parte più importante, che purtroppo ci sono poche occasioni poi per sviluppare normalmente.
Chiedere in italiano alla professoressa italiana è una cosa, chiedere in cinese alla professoressa cinese è tutt'altra cosa.
C'è spesso l'occasione di andare da lei e parlarle, non solo della cultura cinese ma in generale, per capire quali sono i suoi interessi o altro.
I would like to know more about Italy, this country, and communicate with local people, because I would like to be in Europe, make friends with the local people, and in the future I also expect to be a Chinese teacher who teaches Chinese to foreigners. I learned a lot of different kinds of Italian culture here. It gave me more horizon of knowing the outside world, outside China. I did learn a lot. Yeah, it will change me become more, independent. Communicate with people. They are really kind, nice, polite. They're humorous. I like people here, Italian people especially. In my host family, I got 2 host family, and I did have a great time spending a great time with them, because they treated me really nice. They're so nice. They even took me to some cities in Italy, showed me around Italy, this country, and they cook for me every day. We commute, even though sometimes there are some difficulties in communication, but we still had a lot of fun.
原因，谢谢你，明年见，再见。
中国朋友们来意大利见面我们。